some paradise chicken. And I'm going here with the town. Something seasoning. Something seasoning. Oh, something seasoning. Cause I just want to see everything stuff. I actually am going to use some. Oh, this is onion powder. I'm actually going to use some curry. I need to use some tofu sauce. Chicken gravy on the air later. Finally. Adding more water. I'm supposed to microwave this. We're gonna stir this up.